Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by shutting down and unplugging the system. Make sure the PSU switch is set to off. Once powered, ground yourself, touch the case or use an anti-static strap because static kills components. Remove the side panel and locate the graphics card and its 6/8-pin power connectors. Press the clip and unplug them. Next, note which PCIe slot and any bracket screws hold the card. Do these first actions deliberately so the removal is safe and straightforward. You now remove the card. Unscrew the bracket screws while supporting the card with your other hand, then depress the PCIe slot latch. Once released, pull the GPU straight out with a firm, even motion. Avoid levering it at an angle which can damage the slot. Inspect the new GPU. Check bracket fit, clearance, and that your PSU has the required 6/8-pin connectors and wattage. If the new card has a support bracket or backplate, prepare those now so seating is smooth. You install the new GPU by aligning it with the PCIe slot and pressing down evenly until the latch clicks. Then secure the bracket screws and attach the proper power connectors. Once closed, connect your monitor to the new outputs and power on. Install the latest drivers and reboot. Check temperatures and GPU recognition in the OS. If you get no display, make sure power cables are seated, try reseating the card, try another PCIe slot, or reset CMOS. Those steps commonly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.